this flower. Let's see how to join on the go. We have completed the second last petal. Before we start the next petal, draw up this loop and attach it to the previous flower. This is the chain at the end. Each petal is made with one chain stitches and one chain. We will be joining in the top of this chain. This is where you're going to be joining this loop. Like that joins the two of these together. Now continue your chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make chain 4. With that chain 4, go in the next loop and make a slip stitch. This is the first point of connect. Now, to begin our next petal, we'll make chain 4, 2, 3, 4, and once again joining it to the next petal. Aajo Priya. In the next petal, as you can see, these are the two chains. Now we are going to pick up this chain. So now I have inserted my hook in that top of that chain, and I am going to pull this loop through that chain. Once you have the loop through, adjust the yarn, and now we shall begin making our final petal of this flower, for which we are going to do a double crochet, going in that loop, pulling it high, locking it. This is a double crochet, but we've made it extra long. Once again, we have to make a total of 5 such double crochets. Yarn over, go in the same loop, pull it high, yarn over, and pull through 2. So I've made 2. We'll make 5 DCs are done, and now we'll make the chain 4 to finish our petal. This 2, 3 to finish it. In the base of the starting chain, make a slip stitch, chain 1, and cut your yarn.